Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you another big and chunky journal that I've made, and this one is another naked journal. There's actually more pages in this one than there was the one that I done the other day. It measures 9 by, oops, let me see, I think it's very similar to the other one. So it measures 9 inches by 6 1/4, and it has a 3 1/4 inch spine. It has 5 signatures, and there is 400 pages front and back in this one. As you can see, it's nice and chunky. I've put some tabs on there. It's a repurposed cereal box, and it's covered with cardstock, and then I've covered it with this wallpaper, which is like a goldy coloured slightly embossed wallpaper, and we have eyelets and some string as a closure. There is this is some cardstock that I've just doubled over and sewn, and I kind of distressed the edges. There's some layering here with some Artimaze papers, and then this was a tag, but I just chopped off the top. A little bit of bling with some stitching there as well. So that's how it's decorated on the front. This will be linked, this will be listed for sale in my shop, and I've just created a note here. So there we go. As you can see, it's massive. I think the one that I done the other day, the big and chunky one, was 380 pages, so there's a few more pages in this one. So I'm going to do a quick flip, just do another quick show of it all. And let's go inside. I have used papers from Artimaze, I have used book pages, coffee dyed pages, vintage music sheet, so there's lots going on. This is from Artimaze, and we have this is an oblong doily, some Edith Holden, that's the tab on there, there's an envelope and it's opened at the side. This is some, I take it it's quite vintage because it's from Sears, and that was gifted to me, so I've used some of that in there. Some more Artimaze background papers, some digital music paper, some more Artimaze. These are her collage kits. She's got quite a few of them in her shop. That will be linked below. A doily, some lovely book page. I love the flowers in this. I'm going to have to get another one of those books. I think I got it on eBay. I'll have to fish around for another one because it's ever so pretty. This was the bottom of these pages. This is a house plant book page, and this is the vintage music paper. The centre of the signature, some edge punching there. That flips out. More pretty flowers, a doily. Another flip here, it's digital music paper. The other side of the Sears book page, the other side of the envelope, which is opened here. So that is signature number 1. Again, the signatures are quite similar. And the tabs, some Artimaze, some more flower book page. So this is this would be a great starter journal for anyone. Some more vintage music paper. The tabs flip out. Sorry if you can hear the fan, but it's very warm. Shouldn't complain. But I have to shut my door when I do a video because of the dogs, in case they start barking, and I need the fan on full blast. Third signature, Edith Holden, vintage music, some lined paper, some more book page. Isn't that pretty? another doily, excuse me, envelope, Sears book page, centre of the signature, flip, Artie Mays, I've got one more of these to finish. The papers are very similar in it, but the wallpaper is going to be completely different. Some more Sears, some more vintage music paper, centre of the signature. Got to take a drink. Flip, the Sears book page, Edith Holden, so like I said, Artie Mays will be linked below, my shop will be linked below. I'm going to do another small journal tomorrow and then finish the other big chunky one maybe Thursday. So if you miss out on this one, then there will be one more. I had to go out and buy like big boxes to put these in, because the boxes that I had were too small, because these are really big. Flip. Some of the French ephemera here is from the Old Design Shop. Another envelope there, another tab, another flip out, a doily, book page, and that is the back. So that's the big chunky journal. Like I said, everything will be linked below. If you have any questions, then ask, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.